This is nature. This is nature. It's Finland, and nobody's building houses here. It's respecting the nature, and this is how it is done around Finland. It's not every place people should build houses. There are some places it's reserved just for nature, and this is one of them. There's many places around Finland, around Helsinki metropolitan area, around Espoo, Vantaa, all over Finland. Here the law is respected. This is like a swamp. It's not good for building houses or and it's just just open space, nature to develop, nature to foster, and this is how it's important. A lot of places around the world, there's no respect of mangroves, there's no respect of swamps, there's no respect of the laws of nature. And then calamities after calamities, can just happen. Sometimes when there's a flood, sometimes when it's just a little rain, and a lot of people are just, without without an escape. You can see all over the world. We can blame also the global warming, but it's not only this. It's just we build houses where we are not supposed to build houses. Unless humanity changes, we're gonna still, face calamity, face a lot of problems, and the people just gonna be around, around some places where they're gonna be just suffering and deeply suffering. Maybe one day we'll learn with other people and respect the law of nature and start building houses where we are supposed to build the houses, and where we are not supposed to build the houses, just leave the grass, leave the trees, leave the animals to be there. And then we're gonna avoid calamities. Yes, people, this is how it is. But this is Finland, it's Scandinavia, and these guys are good on this, but not us. They would be already building a lot of houses here, and then it's catastrophic. People, cheers, people from Finland. They are the champions of these things. We should learn with them. It's not every corner you build the houses. No. You should build where it's possible to build. Cheers, people. And one thing which is really sad is that the people building in a vertical horizon, but not in a horizontal. That's the good thing. But we need to change things, we need to adjust things, we need to see where we can build, where we can't build, and then, assess the land, assess everything, leave some areas where the rain gonna escape, where the buffer zone is everything, and then we're gonna live safely. But if it's not, we're gonna always have calamities after calamities. Cheers, people, from somewhere around Espoo in Finland. Nice green field. Cheers, people. Cheers, and cheers.